Good morning, guys.
Out of all the things to say to you, you're my girl and you should know that I love you more than anything, and I'll never let you go. 1,000 years could never change.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to today's vlog. So I'm about to go pick up my item. I ordered a few items like a few days ago or sometime last week, and I got a message 2 days ago that one of the items is already at their office. I should come and pick it up. So I usually pay for doorstep delivery, but the last experience I had with doorstep delivery, I decided that I'm just going to start picking it up myself. So last time I ordered for something and I paid for doorstep delivery. As you guys know, doorstep delivery is different. Like, the price for doorstep delivery is way different from going to the office to pick it up. So I paid for doorstep delivery my location, and when my item arrived, the delivery guy just called me on phone and told me that he cannot deliver this thing doorstep to me, or that I should come to the office and come and pick it up. After the whole arguing, because the item was very important to me, I had to go myself to pick it up, and it's not like they refunded me or they gave me part of the doorstep delivery money. I had to foot my bills myself to go pick it up from their station. So since then I decided that anytime I'm buying anything, I'm just going to pay for to pick it up at their station, because it's not even far. It's just that I like my convenience. I can pay for things to make things easier for me. I just pay for it. So the other item, I was waiting for the other item to arrive, because 2 days ago they sent me a message to come and pick this first item up. I was hoping that like within these 2 days the other item will arrive, but I don't think it's going to happen anytime soon. So I'm just gonna pick this one up. After going to their office, I'll also go to the market or the supermarket. I have a few things that I want to buy, so I'm going to buy those things. And yeah,
It's getting heavy. My mind is losing all control. My heart's not ready to understand how to let go. Wish I didn't need you back.
I just got back home. Here is my package. Let's start with unboxing. Yes, I always love to buy new things. Like, I love when I'm unboxing something new that I bought, and I'm so much thankful for growth. This thing, I just literally thought about it and I just went online to order it. I've not even the usual me. Maybe like last year I would have consulted everybody around me before buying this, but yeah, yes, I'm a big girl. I can buy what I want. Okay, so this is the receipt. Here is my pack. Can you guess what I bought? We are gonna see it right now. Yeah, look, see what it looks like inside. Can you see? So yeah, I bought a new tripod stand. This one I'm currently using, it's too bulky. Like, it's always hard for me to vlog with it because it's too big. Like, it's all those big ones. So I decided to get this one for vlogging, just specifically for vlogging. So yeah, guys, this is the head. Let me fix it. I think it's like this. Yeah, can you see? Okay, I like this one. It's so portable, and I got this for The price for the tripod stand is 1908 naira, but with delivery fee everything was 2508 naira. If you want to buy it, I'll leave the link. I got this from Jumia. If you're interested, the link will be in my description box, or you can use my code while purchasing. So yeah. Oh, I love it though. Can you see? It's so portable. You can just use it. And this place, like, you can flip the camera to whichever angle you want it. This one also does that. This one I'm currently using also does that. It's just the only reason why I bought this one is if I need to like go out. I don't like carrying this big tripod stand because it makes everything look so serious. So but this one can fit into like a small bag or something. That's why I got this one. Now on to the things I bought from the supermarket. I bought this baking, what is it called, baking pan, non-stick baking pan, bread pan or baking pan, I don't know, one of them sure. So I basically like I bought this for baking. I'm always using stainless plates, so I decided that it's time to buy this. So I got just one because I bought this whisk. I would have loved a smaller one, but this is the only size they had, and this is one of the major reasons why I had to like enter that supermarket. So I just decided to buy this one. There was the one I saw on Jumia, but the thing is I should have ordered it the day I placed an order for this tripod stand. But I was just like contemplating. That one is like plastic. I mean, it has color. It's not this steel this thing that they used for that one. But I thought about it. If I place the order now, the delivery would like take a while and we won't be around when it will like arrive. So I decided to just buy this one instead. I bought margarine for baking. These days I'm into baking a lot, but I know. So I bought this cocoyam something, cocoyam powder. I would love to cook either oha soup or bitter leaf soup sometime this week. So I had to buy peanut butter because there's something I need it for sometime this week. And then I bought granulated sugar, which I use for my baking. Also I bought chocolate. I don't even know why I bought this chocolate though. Like I'm not craving chocolate, I just bought it. And I also bought, I love buying this serviette, this particular brand. In the supermarket they had just these two remaining, so I just picked only two. But I would have bought more if I had seen if they had more, but since they have just two. And finally, my food, you guys. I saw this salad, it looked so good. I decided to just buy it. Plus I also bought chicken, but I'm very hungry. I'm not eating since morning. I just want to start eating. So good, oh my god. That's really nice. Hey guys, so I just came back I went to the store close to the house to buy palm oil. That's how I went to buy this thing from the market. I bought half bottle, like it was around here 2 days ago. So yesterday when I bought it, where I went to buy it, the woman was telling me that it's a good oil, because you guys, I don't like leaking oil. All these things that before you buy oil you have to leak it. I don't like leaking it. So the way the woman was saying it, and she was really convincing, I went to buy oil. I paid her. So yesterday night I went to make abacha for dinner. I was preparing my ingredients because I like to prep my stuff before I start cooking. My mind just told me, leak this oil. Guys, I leaked the oil and it was, oh god, it was tasting so bad. I don't know how kerosene managed to mix up with the oil. The oil is tasting like kerosene. I don't know if it's from the bottle or maybe where they dropped it. I don't know which one, but the kerosene taste and smell was so strong I couldn't even use it. So that is why I went to buy a new one. This one, when I went to buy it, I was like, please, that they should shake it well and open it. Let me test it first before I can buy. And they had to do all that, because I would have just maybe bought something else again and come home. So I'm just going to trash this one. I'm about to make beans now. I bought plantain yesterday. Let me show you. So I bought this ripe. I bought this plantain yesterday. I bought it for 500 yesterday, and this is the exact amount of ripeness I want, and it's still very strong. I don't like all those ripe soft ones, so I just bought this one. I feel like putting everything inside these beans I'm about to cook, honestly, but I don't know. I think I'll divide it into two. But yeah, I just said let me show you guys. And the weather is so gloomy. It has rained 2 times since morning, and now it's about to rain again. The weather is really disturbing and it's affecting my video. So yeah, let's get cooking. I want to cook beans porridge with plantain.